Well, hello everybody, this is John from Drones and Planes, and today I'm going to do a little guide for you how to get to the end of runway 23 right or the start of runway 05 left for plane spotting with the aircraft coming directly towards you. The first place to start and the best place to park is here at the Airport Inn Hotel. And when you come out of the Airport Inn Hotel, you turn right and walk along this path towards the airport and the runways. You can just see them in the distance. You cross over the roundabout and then I will show you where we turn left to make our way towards the viewing spot. So when you get to this roundabout, it's only a couple of 100 metres from the hotel itself. You just carry on walking round and head towards the runway tunnels, and the exit point to start the walk to the threshold will be on the left. You can go up these steps and then turn right, but the path is really muddy. It's not too bad in the summer, but personally I prefer to keep on walking a bit further along here and then take the next left turn. This road is really busy. That's my dad and Josh in front. If you do come with your kids, just make sure that they stay on the left hand side. Obviously it's just quite a fast road, so just play it safe. You can see the green sign that says emergency vehicles on the left, and that's where we're going. So this is where we're turning left now. See the emergency vehicle signs, you can see the runway tunnels in the distance, and then we just go round the corner through the security gate. That's fine as long as you're walking. And we head up towards the radar tower at the top there. We've got to the top of the hill now. Doesn't take too long. And now we're keeping along the road here. Just keep to the left, obviously. And in the distance, you can see the south side fire station, and that's where we're heading to next. You get quite good views across the airfield here. Just see through the gate there. You see the control tower in the distance, and the Jet 2 hangar, and you can hear that I'm out of breath because it's quite a steep hill. So when you get to this yellow gate of the fire station, we want to turn left, which is just around here, and then we just follow the fence line to our right. Now it is incredibly muddy down here, so I would definitely suggest, as you can see here, it's very muddy, so I suggest you bring Wellington boots during the winter months or even the summer, now in Manchester. But we'll just carry on along here, this gravel path, to the end of the fence line. So we've reached the end of the fire station fence line now, and as you can see here, it is like a quagmire. So glad we've got our wellies on today, and we'll just follow the path down now, or not the path, I would guess more like the mudslide down at the bottom, bearing to the left. You can hear me dad swearing in the background, sorry about that, and hopefully we will get to the bottom safely without going A over T, as they say. That's the clean version anyway, but I'm sure you all know what I mean. So we're just going to go down here to the left and just follow the path all the way through here, and you can see it goes back up again towards the fence line, and that's the way we're going, to the right, just up there. We've now climbed up through the mud path, still by the fire station to the right, and you can see the path veers off there to the left, and that's where we're going next. And again, you get some really cool views across the airfield here. Not much going on at the moment, but hopefully that will change. Okay, so the muddy path brings you out here now, and with these gates behind you, we walk down the hill. Again, you can see my dad and Josh, and then just keep following this path towards the tunnel that takes us under the runway with the River Bollin to our left. Okay, so we get to a fork in the road here, and we want to take the right hand fork, and you can probably hear the water in the background. That's the River Bollin, and we're heading towards the tunnel here. You can just come into view, So keep walking down the path, keep to the right, and then we go through the tunnel to come out the other side. Go. So we're just about to start walking under the tunnel, and we walk the entirety of it. You can see the River Bolling to the left here. It's quite deep today because obviously we've had a lot of rain recently. But yeah, just keep walking down here till we get to the other side. So we've just exited the tunnel now. So you head up here, this windy path, and then when we get to the top, we will be turning left. It's not too much further to go now. If you just look over, well, you can't see through the trees there, but that's where we're aiming for, up to the top of that hill. But I'll give you a clearer view once we get there. So we've just turned left now, and we've got the airport perimeter fence to our right, and we're just going to keep on going slightly around to the right till we reach the bridge to cross over the River Bolling. Okay, so we're getting close to the bridge now. You can see the landing light stanchion or pylon in front of us. So we're just going to turn left there and then head up the hill to the left. So we're just crossing the river now, and then we'll bear off to the left and start the slow ascent up to the top of Mount Runway. So we've just got to the top of the hill, and now we're just bearing to the right here, and just follow the path up here, and then it's a right turn onto the actual field itself. So we need to bear to the right here now. Just follow where my dad is there, and we turn back on ourselves up through the path here, and as we turn around to the corner to the left,
and a robin,
and there's a robin there as well. Yes, so we've got a robin there. We just carry on walking, and there in the distance you should be able to see the yellow landing light pylons now, and that's where we're heading. And congratulations, my friends, you have made it to the viewing point for the end of runway 23 right. As you can see, it's an excellent location because there, right down in front of us, is the end of the runway. So you can get some superb photographs showing the planes departing. If they're on 2-3 operations, they'll climb straight over your head, or if they're on 05s, they line up here. So like I say, it's well worth the effort, and hopefully I'll get some photographs to show it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope it's been of some use. If it has, please give me a like, drop a comment below, and if you want to see more aviation related videos, consider subscribing to the channel. This is John from Drones and Planes signing out at the top of the hill at the end of runway 23 right. Cheers.